Jessami here. I got my Christmas present in the mail today. I know, Christmas I said, but I cannot resist. She is going to be opened today. I got my Smart Doll, Mirai, from Danny 2 at Culture Japan. I've been wanting this doll since I first got into the BJD hobby. I took the time to take off the labels, and my husband helped me open the box up before I did this video. So let's take a look inside the box. She has 3 Mokana cards. And one attached to the bag which says doll. Yes, you'll be seeing me take pictures on top of while I'm making this video as well. It says doll. Smart Doll has been my grail doll since I got into this hobby, and I can't believe I got her. I'm still in shock. Take her out of her bubble wrap. On this side of the bag you have Mirai Singwa 001. And on this side is Kizuna. I will be ordering Kizuna at another time. I hope to have all of the Smart Doll family in my family. Here's her box. It has all her lovely little things in. Her wig. Her shoes. Her outfit. I'm not really sure what that one is. All packaged so lovely. This was the extra that I had bought to go with her. Now, Mira is my first SD size dolly. I have MSD and YOSD and Tinies, so this is a first, and I am so happy that I was able to get my first SD as Mirai. She was kneeling inside her bag. There's Mirai. Very well wrapped, very well packaged. Well, everyone, here she is. My mirror eye. She has her support socket in the back for her special stand. I just cannot believe I have her. She's still very stiff from coming across these. It was cold this morning when she was delivered. We'll be getting her dressed and getting her all set up soon, and I'll be taking lots and lots of pictures. Thank you, Danny, for making such an adorable doll. I love her.